Here we are in Quartzsite, and 3 months ago we got challenged to a 10 new RV question challenge by Mike and MJ's RV Adventures, but somebody was having coughing fits and couldn't make it through one.
Yep. I wonder who that was.
So, and she's feeling better now, so
I wonder who that was.
we might be able to make it through this. We're sitting here in Quartzsite.
Nice day, beautiful.
Beautiful day out. Perfect temperatures. I'm wearing a hoodie instead of running around shirtless.
Yeah, thank God.
Wait a minute. You're supposed to want to see me shirtless.
Not every dang day. Anywho.
But it's beautiful here, and while we're here, we're going to knock some of these challenges that we're so far behind on. We're going to knock them out. So here we go. Question number 1.
Where have you traveled to so far? Well, we only have 14 states left to go, right?
14 more states left to go. 14.
The last 2 might be a little tricky.
We're going to put pontoons on Honey and take her to Hawaii.
Okay, how you get in Alaska?
We can drive there.
Yeah, it might take us a little bit. Alright. Anywho. Number 2. What are your RV goals, if any, to get more solar?
Definitely solar. Definitely. I got to agree with you there. Solar panels, more solar.
More solar.
Then it's like everything else is fine. But solar
we need more solar.
Yeah, then we can move in our refrigeration and air conditioning that we want.
Okay, ready?
Number 3.
How long do you plan on living on the full-time RV life?
Till we can't do it no more. Yeah, till we can't do it anymore. Which is going to be a long time.
Yeah. Okay.
What's number 4?
Number 4. Is your RV large enough? Yes.
Oh yeah, yeah. I didn't think it would be, but it is. We could actually go smaller if we wanted to, but no, our RV is just right.
I think it's perfect the way it is.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Breezy.
Yes, a little breezy. Number 5. What hobbies do you have? YouTube. Actually, every now and then I doodle, I draw, I cross stitch.
I'm thinking about, we do YouTube.
Hiking.
I'm actually thinking about reviving one of my old hobbies one of these days.
Uh-oh.
Model cars.
Where are you going to do that in there?
Out here.
Oh.
We're in the desert.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, he used to build them like crazy.
Loved it.
Alright, onward. Number 6. Any changes or updates on your RV?
The only thing we've changed or updated is we've added 12-volt outlets in the house part because there wasn't any. The only thing it had was a cigarette lighter up front.
Stereo.
And upgraded the stereo to a Bluetooth stereo. It just had an AM/FM radio. And we added a USB 12-volt meter
inside
here with 2 fast port USB charging units in it, or plug-ins, outlets. Other than that, that's
all we've done to it. Within a year we've had it. Yeah,
it's really all I can think of.
Yeah. Alright, number 7. Do you have any challenges due to weather?
The hardest challenge is to avoid the snow.
Yep.
Which we've done a pretty good job at.
Yeah. Well, the cold makes our backs hurt.
Yeah, I have.
He's fused more than I am.
4 vertebrae, it's fused. He's got 2. And when it gets cold, that really messes our back up. And the cold messes her asthma up too.
My asthma, I can't breathe right. Alright, onward, James. Number 8, do you prefer RV parks or boondocking? Boondocking.
Boondocking by far. I don't look for us to stay in an RV park unless it's absolutely necessary.
Yep.
Like maybe the Mayberry meetup next year. Maybe.
We'll see. Okay. How do you feel about the 10-year rule in some RV parks?
The 10-year rule in some RV parks, it sucks. I understand wanting to keep the junk out, but it should be on an individual basis.
Yep.
Come out and look at the RV, then decide whether you want it in your RV park or not. Honey's 38 years old and looks pretty good. There's a bunch of RVs out here that are older than Honey that look
pretty good.
Really good, like they'd still come off the assembly line. Yeah, come out and look at the RV, then make the choice.
Yep.
What's next?
Alright, last but least, number 10. How do you feel?
Last but least.
Yeah. How do you feel about the 14-day limit at National Forest camping?
That sucks too.
Yeah, I don't like moving every 2 weeks.
21 day, I think it should be at least 21 day, or take it even a little further. Just go
month by month.
Yeah, 30 days.
I mean,
you got 30 days to see everything around here that you can possibly see, then move on. But 30 days would be nice because there is a lot of places that you cannot see everything in 2 weeks. And yes, you can come back, but I mean, you know, there's a lot to see out here. Yeah. Give us more time to see it.
Yeah. Especially if we're keeping, you know, the area cleaned.
Oh yeah, that too.
I mean, I could see if they were trashing it around them in that month. Or
as a ranger come by, give them a sticker. 30 days. I come by here again in 30 days and you're here, it's a warning. Next time, ticket.
Yeah. And that was our last question.
Thanks, Mike and MJ. Now we got to pick.
Well, Scott was already challenged.
There was 3 channels to challenge on this, wasn't it?
Yeah. We're supposed to challenge 3.
Lily Gypsy Child, you've been challenged. No, wait. It's Journey by Lily's Lens. Yeah. You've been challenged. Who next? Boondocking with Boomer, you've been challenged.
Van Life Rocks.
Van Life Rocks, you've been challenged.
Yeah.
Let's add 2 more. Boucher Street. You've been challenged. And Going Green Mom, you've been challenged. Well, we weren't sure if you guys had RVs. But, been 3 months. Sorry it took so long.
We're always running behind.
But
people should know that by now.
Yes. Check all these great channels out. Every one of them are great channels.
Yep.
We've got more videos to make, so we should probably get out of here.
Yeah.
So,
till next time.
Yeah.
Roy and Becky's
Travels. The next video.
Roy and Becky's Travels. We'll be back at you.
You want me to leave that in there?
Yeah. Pause.
Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, world on my shoulder.